Hey, my name is Matt Griffin. I'm owner-operator of Peepaw Fabrication based out of Cape Coral, Florida. And I've been welding for about 7 years now and line boring for about 3 of them. I started working at a heavy equipment company, and they had a line bore machine there already and another guy doing work too. We both kind of like figured it out together, I would say. That's a huge thing for, you know, a small business owner like me, to where downtime I'm not making money, and where when I call they answer and the problem's solved right then and there and I can get back to making money. I've had a couple people already message me and ask me, you know, do I like it, would I recommend it, and I think I've sent a couple people, you know, y'all's way, and they've actually bought kits.